Hi friends, I'm Beth and I'm back with another episode of How I'm Doing It. Today, I'm going to be opening the Walmart Beauty Box for Fall 2018. So, let's dig in and see what's inside. Okay, so my box got a little smushed in my mailbox, but I think it'll be okay. And I have gone ahead and taken off the plastic wrap because I only have two hands. I cannot remove plastic wrap and hold the camera for the video at the same time. So let's open it up, see what is inside. It says, embrace your beauty this season. Show off your fabulous self. Walmart, beautybox.walmart.com, hashtag Walmart Beauty Box. Has Nivea advertised on the liner paper. Let's see what we've got. A good variety of things, it looks like. First thing I see is Cetaphil Gentle Cleansing Bar. It's 1 ounce. It's a good size sample for dry, sensitive skin. When we get into the winter, particularly, my skin does get very dry and sensitive because when the heat comes on, when it gets cold outside and we turn the heat on, the heat is very dry. It dries out my skin. So I'm going to hold that and use that in a few weeks when my skin starts drying out as it gets colder outside. Then we have Village Naturals Therapy Aches and Pains Muscle Relief Hand and Body Lotion Foaming Bath Oil and Body Wash. 0.25 fluid ounces per sample. It's a good size sample. It's like the size of my hand, basically. And it has eucalyptus, spearmint, menthol, wintergreen, and aloe. And that's nice. I'm going to use that because my back hurts right now. So that's a very timely item. We have 0.14 fluid ounces of aloe vera lotion from Nivea. We'll try that out. We've got Great Lash Mascara from Maybelline. This is a pretty neat thing that it comes in this box today because I just the other day watched a video on YouTube about how Maybelline Great Lash Mascara is made, this exact kind. I will link it below, so look in the description below and then you can watch the video too. It's just a quick, neat little video. It shows from start to finish, from the time that they're mixing up the formula all the way till the end when they put the iconic pink and green bottle together, wrap it, label it, and all of that. Pretty cool, so look for that. And then we have an ad for Garnier Whole Blends Oat Delicacy line. Tells a little bit about it on the back. We have Walmart Beauty Enter to Win $100 gift card contest. And on the back it says, embrace your beauty, rate and review the items in this box. Here is an ad also for the Great Lash by Maybelline. It talks about some more things, and these are some of the facts that were listed in the video that I'm going to list below. And no, this video is not sponsored by Maybelline. It just so happens that I know of a really great video that I will link for you. Then we have a black charcoal bubble sheet mask. It says detoxify, oxygenate, radiance. On the back it has some directions and some pretty interesting pictograms to try to tell us how to use it properly. So that'll be pretty interesting. What else do we have here? Okay, this says hello, fluoride-free whitening toothpaste, activated charcoal. Fresh mint and coconut oil. My question becomes, I wonder what color the toothpaste is. I wonder if the toothpaste is a traditional color or if it's the color of the tube. So hold on just a second while I open it up and then I'll come back. Okay, so to answer your question, the color of the toothpaste is in fact black. Can you see it squeezing out of there? Squeezy, 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 squeezy. So, it smells good. I can smell it from all the way over here. I'm about 24 inches away with my nose, and I can smell it all the way over here. So I am looking forward to trying that. Like, I'm actually really genuinely intrigued. So we'll see how that goes. It looks like this box is like charcoal themed. We've got a lot of charcoal products, including this from Biore. It says, free your pores, charcoal, great for oily skin, removes makeup, deep cleans pores, and refreshes. Charcoal cleansing micellar water, no need to rinse, oil free. Wet a cotton pad and wipe all over the face until skin is completely clean. To remove eye makeup, hold the pad over closed eyes for a few seconds and then just swipe away. No need for harsh rubbing. Use daily, morning, day, or night. No need to rinse. So if there's no need to rinse, that sounds easy. It's 2.5 fluid ounces. I'll give that a try. You know, we'll see how it goes. And it is, yes, you're right. It's a clear bottle and your eyes are not deceiving you. It is like a gray color. I guess that's got the little tiny bits of ground up charcoal in there, probably like microscopic, because I can't see any pieces of charcoal, but it's definitely color, like a dark color, not clear. This, let's see if I can pick it up. This is the Garnier Whole Blends Oat Delicacy. It is the shampoo and conditioner. So, and that's 0.34 fluid ounces each. So it's a very good size. This is actually bigger than my hand. You see my little fingers poking out over here. So that is a very good size of sample. I will try that out. It sounds nice. Then inside we have, this is Maybelline Master Precise All Day Liquid Liner. I have tried liquid liner before. I don't have a very steady hand, so I've never felt confident about wearing it out in public. But it's a sample, it's free. I might practice with it and see where we go. So that's pretty nice. Then we have another ad for that very liquid liner that I just showed you from Maybelline. And then we have another ad from Cetaphil, talks about that. And then the Hello brand with the fall oral care, such as it looks like there's a mouthwash and a toothpaste, and some information on the back. And then Nivea talks about that lotion that is sampled in here. So I think that was a pretty generous box. Let's see how many items. And remember, this box comes quarterly. It is only $5 a box, and frankly, I think the shipping costs probably about that much. We've got one item. This is two because it's just the cap with the toothpaste. So that's one. This is two. This is three. This is four. This is five. This is six. This is 7, this is 8. So we got 8 samples, and some of these you might even could count for 2, like this is 2 items, I counted as 1. So we got, depending on how you count it, between 8 and 10 items for $5 shipped to your house. Like, seriously, I think that's a killer deal. And it's really fun. It's like Christmas in the middle of the day. Comes 4 times a year. I hope that you have enjoyed this beauty box unboxing. Let me know what you think underneath. And has anyone here ever used charcoal health and beauty products before? Because I have not. This is going to be a new thing for me. Like I said, I hope you enjoyed it. I'm Beth, and that's how I'm doing it. P.S. Don't forget, I also got the Whole Blends Oat Delicacy line from Garnier. So that brings our sample total up to like between 9 and 12, 10, 11, 12, like basically a whole lot of samples. This box was full of samples. It's a killer deal. You should sign up. There you go.